In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link on Squarespace. Whether you're building a blog, an online store, or a portfolio, adding links is a key way to guide your visitors and enhance their experience on your site. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add a link to any text, image, or button on your Squarespace website. If you're new to Squarespace, you'll find a registration link in the description below to get started. Now let's dive in. First, head over to the Squarespace website and log in to your account. If your Squarespace account is connected to Google, you can also use the Continue with Google option for a quicker login. Once you're in, you'll see a list of all the websites associated with your account. Select the one you want to work on to access its dashboard. Next, click on the Edit option to enter edit mode. This is where you can make changes to your site's design and content. Once you're in edit mode, locate the specific element where you'd like to add the link. This could be a piece of text, an image, or even a button. For example, if you're linking a button to an external page, make sure you've added the button to your layout first. Now, hover over the element you want to edit and look for the Edit Link icon. This icon often looks like a small chain link, so keep an eye out for it. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Some elements might require you to click into their settings or text box to reveal the icon. Once you've clicked the Edit Link icon, a pop-up or sidebar will appear where you can input the URL. Carefully type or paste the web address you want to link to. Double-check for typos or incorrect formatting to ensure your visitors are directed to the right page. If you're linking to an external website, make sure the URL starts with HTTPS to keep the connection secure. After entering the URL, hit Save to confirm your changes. This step is crucial because it ensures that your link is live and ready for visitors to use. If you skip this step, your changes won't be applied and the link won't work. And that's it. Adding a link on Squarespace is quick and easy once you know where to go. Today, we walked through how to log in, access your site's dashboard, and edit your site's elements to insert a link. With this skill, you can enhance your site's functionality and improve navigation for your audience. If you have any questions or tips, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.